Welcome to the best picks. The best bead spinner is probably one of the most ingenious tools for any crafter working with beads. This device simplifies the tedious task of stringing beads, making jewelry making and other crafts a breeze. Today, we're diving deep into the world of bead spinners, exploring their features, benefits, and helping you find the perfect one for your creative endeavors. Let's get started. Number 5. Shop LC Pinewood Bead Spinner Kit. This kit makes creating bead jewelry simple and fun. It's designed to make the process easy, saving you time and reducing hand fatigue. The bead spinner is crafted from high-quality pinewood. This durable material ensures the product's longevity, making it a reliable tool for your crafting projects. Simply fill the bowl with beads, thread the needle, and spin. This method streamlines the jewelry making process, allowing you to create beautiful pieces with ease. The package includes everything you need: a pinewood bead spinner, a 3-meter wire, and a stainless steel needle. It's the perfect starter kit for any jewelry maker. This bead spinner is a unique gift for craft lovers. It's an ideal present for birthdays, Mother's Day, Christmas, and other special occasions. Purchase with confidence knowing that it comes with a 6-month warranty. Enjoy exceptional customer support and a guarantee against manufacturing defects. What we like. This spinner, crafted from pinewood, is a great choice for those new to beading. It's easy to use and comes with everything you need to get started. If you're looking for a thoughtful gift for a craft enthusiast, this is perfect for them. What people say. I love that the bowl is designed well enough that both extremely tiny beads and large beads can all thread fairly easily. It has made stringing seed beads onto wire so much easier. The spinner is made from wood and spins easily. Makes crafting with wire and seed beads a breeze. Number 4. Tilhumt Bead Spinner Kit for Jewelry Making. This Tilhumt bead spinner makes jewelry making easier than ever. It's designed to help you create beautiful bracelets, necklaces, and more with ease. Unlike other spinners, this one is made from natural beechwood. This ensures it's strong, sturdy, and will last a long time. The heavy base keeps it stable while you work. The polished bowl is burr-free, so you can enjoy a smooth beading experience. The design allows for effortless and silent rotation, making it a joy to use. The kit includes everything you need to start beading right away. It comes with a bead spinner bowl, needles, and 3,000 seed beads in 3 colors. You can start creating as soon as you open the package. Simply fill the bowl with beads, thread the needle, and angle it while spinning. This efficient tool saves time and reduces hand fatigue. It helps you create intricate designs effortlessly. This bead spinner kit is a thoughtful gift for anyone who loves DIY jewelry. It's perfect for birthdays, Valentine's Day, or any special occasion. Give the gift of creativity. If you have any issues, please let us know. We promise a satisfactory solution within 24 hours. Your satisfaction is our priority. What we like. This bead spinner stands out with its premium beechwood build, ensuring durability and stability. The smooth, silent rotation makes the beading process a joy. If you value a high-quality, ready-to-go kit for making beautiful jewelry, this is the one for you. What people say. This works great. Makes random designs in the jewelry. Easy to learn and use, the trays and scoop are quite helpful. My child absolutely loves this item for making bracelets. It's super easy to use as well. Number 3. Tilhumt Electric Bead Spinner for Jewelry Making. Introducing the Tilhumt Bead Spinner, designed with optimal rotation for maximum efficiency. This innovative design saves you time and makes bead making a breeze. With this spinner, you can craft beautiful bracelets in just 2 minutes. It's a fun and efficient way for both beginners and experienced crafters to enjoy jewelry making. Simply fill the bowl with beads and adjust the needle. The design ensures beads fall perfectly into place, making the process simple and enjoyable. The Tilhumt Bead Spinner is a unique gift for girls and craft lovers. It's perfect for birthdays, Christmas, or any special occasion, allowing them to create stunning jewelry. The package includes the bead spinner, needles, elastic string, and a user manual. Plus, it comes with a 12-month quality guarantee and friendly customer service. Please note that beads are not included. What we like. This electric spinner is a game changer, significantly boosting your beading speed. Its innovative design and ease of use make it perfect for beginners. If you're looking to create stunning bracelets quickly and efficiently, you should consider it. What people say. This was what my daughter was missing in her love for making bracelets. This made it so much faster to string the clay beads once you get the hang of where to place the wire inside the turning area and try a few times. It strings beads onto the thread like a pro, saving her tons of time and effort. This is brilliant. I only tried it with the one color bead, but you can put a mixture of colors in so you get a totally random selection on the needle. Once the needle is full, you can unclip it from the stand and slide the clay beads down onto the thread that you have already attached to the needle. Perfect for people that may suffer with hand-to-eye coordination or even shaky hands. USB powered too, so no need to worry about batteries either. Small and compact enough to store on the shelf or even in a drawer when not being used. Number 2. HOBBYWORKER Wooden Bead Spinner Kit. Introducing the HOBBYWORKER Bead Spinner. This manual tool makes stringing beads a breeze. It's designed for efficient work and smooth rotation, perfect for creating beautiful jewelry. The wooden bead spinner features a polished inner wall for easy bead movement. The stainless steel rotating shaft ensures it's rust-proof and long-lasting. This design makes the process more stable. This kit includes everything you need to get started: the spinner, needles, and thousands of beads. You can create bracelets, necklaces, and more. It's a great activity for the whole family. With this kit, you can make colorful bracelets, necklaces, and waist chains. The included needles are exquisite and durable, making the process comfortable. Let your creativity shine. HOBBYWORKER has 20 years of experience in providing quality jewelry tools. If you have any questions, please contact us. We're here to help and will respond within 24 hours. The bead spinner is easy to use. Just spin it manually, and it will work smoothly. It's a simple and effective way to string beads quickly. What we like. This manual spinner offers a smooth and durable beading experience. The stainless steel shaft ensures longevity, and the complete kit provides everything you need. If you enjoy the hands-on aspect of crafting and want a reliable tool, it is a great choice. What people say. Straightforward to use, worked well. Made making beaded waistbands a breeze. The spinner is easy to use, and it's quite remarkable how quickly you can string a bracelet. Number 1. DAFENCHI Bead Spinner Kit for Jewelry Making. This kit is perfect for beginners. It includes everything you need to start making your own jewelry, such as beads, clasps, and wire. It's a cost-effective way to explore your creativity and create beautiful pieces. The kit includes a bead spinner, various seed beads, clasps, jump rings, and more. With this kit, you can create bracelets and necklaces. It provides all the essentials for your jewelry making journey. This spinner significantly speeds up the bead stringing process. You can create a bracelet or necklace in just a few minutes. It saves you time and effort, allowing you to enjoy the creative process. Made from durable beech wood, the heavy base ensures stability during use. The design allows for smooth, noise-free spinning. It's built to last and provide a pleasant crafting experience. The kit comes with needles of different sizes, making it easy to get started. These needles help you practice and master the bead spinner. It's a thoughtful addition for your convenience. This bead spinner kit makes a great gift for friends and family. It's perfect for anyone who enjoys making bead jewelry. Share the joy of crafting with your loved ones. What we like. This spinner made of beechwood is designed for speed and ease. It comes with a complete kit, making it ideal for beginners. If you are looking for a cost-effective and efficient way to create bead jewelry, this is the perfect choice. What people say. This bead spinner was fast and easy to use. The spinner worked well, spun smoothly, and didn't seem to be catching on anything. This works well and come with several items. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.